Jung divided the unconscious into two major spheres, the personal unconscious and the collective unconscious. The personal unconscious is made up of experiences and memories that belong to our individual trajectory. These contents may have once been conscious, but ended up relegated to the unconscious either through forgetting or repression. Some of these memories were simply neglected for not being relevant enough to the conscious state. Others, however, were repressed for being painful or not in harmony with the image we have of ourselves. As Jung clarifies, the personal unconscious contains everything that has been forgotten, repressed, or in some way kept out of consciousness, acquired by the individual consciously or unconsciously. This content bears an unmistakably personal mark. However, the unconscious is not merely a storage of repressed or forgotten memories. It also houses innate contents that do not derive from our personal experience, but from the evolution of our species. Jung called this deeper layer the collective unconscious. He called it collective because its contents and behaviors are universal, shared by all humanity. Unlike the individual psyche, the collective unconscious is formed by patterns and archetypes that exist in all human beings. As Jung described, the personal unconscious rests upon a deeper layer that does not derive from personal experience and is not an individual acquisition, but is innate. I call this deeper layer the collective unconscious because it does not belong to the individual, but is universal. It contains contents and behavior patterns that are the same everywhere and in all individuals. Jung referred to the contents of the collective unconscious as archetypes. He described them as universal and inherited patterns that together form the structure of the unconscious. Every person is born with a set of archetypes, just as we are born with physical organs.